Want to build a strong social media presence? Start with defining specific goals. What's your aim? Raising brand awareness, generating leads, or fostering community? These will shape your strategy. Identify platforms that resonate with your target audience. Their demographics, interests, and online behavior are key. This helps determine where they're most active. Once you've defined your goals and chosen your platforms, you're ready to take the next step. Now that your goals are set, let's focus on your profile and content. Think of your social media profile as your digital business card. It's often the first impression people have of your brand. It's essential to have high-quality profile pictures and cover images that represent you or your brand's personality. Your bio should be concise yet compelling, encapsulating what you or your brand is all about. And don't forget to include relevant links to your website or other online platforms. Once your profile is all polished, it's time to think about your content strategy. This involves understanding what type of content resonates with your audience and creating a balanced mix of posts. Maybe your audience loves visuals like infographics or videos, or perhaps they prefer insightful articles or interactive content like quizzes and polls. Remember, the goal here is to provide value to your audience while showcasing your brand's unique voice and perspective. A well-optimized profile and a strong content strategy are your building blocks for a strong social media presence. Consistency and engagement are your keys to success. Picture your social media platforms as a bustling market square. To keep people coming back, your store needs to be stocked with fresh, enticing goods every day. This is where a content calendar becomes your best friend. It's a strategic tool that helps you plan and schedule your posts, ensuring a steady flow of content that keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine if you, the stall owner, never interacted with the customers. They'd likely lose interest and move on. This is why an engagement plan is critical. It outlines how you'll interact with your audience, respond to comments, and participate in discussions. You're not just a faceless entity behind a screen. You're a part of their community, an active participant in the conversation. Remember, consistent content and active engagement are the lifeblood of your social media presence. Let's take your social media presence up a notch. Creating a cohesive visual identity is crucial in reinforcing brand recognition. Imagine a logo, color scheme, and design elements that your audience can instantly associate with your brand. It's like your digital fingerprint, unique and consistent across platforms. Now let's talk about hashtags. They are the signposts of social media, guiding users to your content. Research and incorporate relevant hashtags in your posts to boost discoverability. Consider creating a branded hashtag, sparking user-generated content, and fostering a sense of community. Collaborations are your secret weapon to expanding reach. Partnering with influencers or businesses in your industry can introduce your brand to a wider audience. It's a symbiotic relationship where both parties benefit from shared exposure. With a strong visual identity, effective use of hashtags, and strategic collaborations, you're well on your way to a powerful social media presence. Now, how do you measure, amplify, and refine your social media strategy? Well, it all begins with analytics. You see, social media platforms come equipped with powerful tools that allow you to track key performance metrics. From engagement rates to follower growth, these metrics offer valuable insights into what's working and what needs tweaking in your strategy. Think of it as your compass, guiding you towards your social media goals. But what if you want to reach beyond your current audience? That's where paid advertising steps into the spotlight. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram, for instance, offer targeted advertising options. This means you can reach specific demographics, helping you get your brand in front of the right people at the right time. It's like having a megaphone that only reaches the ears of those who are most likely to be interested in what you have to say. Finally, remember that the social media landscape is ever-changing. New trends emerge, algorithms get updated, and new features are introduced. It's essential to stay updated and be ready to adapt your strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment with new formats or platforms. After all, flexibility is the name of the game in the world of social media. By leveraging analytics, considering paid advertising, and staying flexible, you're set to build a strong, sustainable social media presence. So keep measuring, keep refining, and most importantly, keep adapting. Because in this digital world, change is the only constant.